Previously, we spent some time talking about how to import and export data in R. We reviewed how to use built-in R datasets and datasets from external packages. We are going to start our discussion about data wrangling. Data wrangling is a process to make sure the data is in the appropriate format and includes the information we need. In this video, we are going to go about how to obtain desired columns by using base R solutions as well as using dplyr package features.
For this demo, we will use the air quality dataset. Here, we want to maintain only specific columns in our dataset. How do we do that? R handles data in objects known as data frames. A data frame is a two-dimensional object with rows and columns. The rows contain observations and the columns, often called fields, contain the value of different variables. The dataset contains 6 columns. We want to extract ozone, temperature, month and day fields. In R, we would access cells by using the data frame name followed by the opening square bracket, comma as a separator between the two dimensions of row and column, and closing a square bracket. To refer to rows, we will use the first subscript. To refer to columns, we will use the second subscript. We need to use the concatenation function, C, to make a vector of the required column names. Another way is using the select function from dplyr package. dplyr is a specific package designed for data wrangling tasks and will allow us to do many of the necessary data wrangling tasks. In this app, dplyr has been automatically installed during the runtime. To work with dplyr, we need to load up the package. The select function allows us to select the columns we would like to keep. Here, we set to R, take the air quality dataset and then feed it into the select function. This is a pipe operator, percent, greater than and percent. The pipe operator is used for chaining a sequence of operations in a particular order. Within select, we are passing columns we want in our output. Also, we do not have to refer to the column names as strings. We could use the column names without quotation. Now we still have 153 rows, but we only have the 4 columns chosen using the select function. Let's reload the air quality dataset. This time, we want to choose the first 4 consecutive columns. To extract a range of columns, we could use the colon operator to generate a series of subscripts. In select also, we are defining the range of columns we want in our output. There are some helpers that we could use inside the select function. For demonstration, let's load the iris dataset. We want to pick columns that start with petal. So let's choose a start with function and specify the pattern. Here you could see the related syntax. We have 150 observations and only the 2 columns start with petal. This brings us to the end of this video. I'm Mohammad Sahebhonar. I appreciate your feedback and thanks for watching.